Hello and welcome to the Sri Chaitanya Infinity Learn platform. My name is Ganesh Gopal. I am your chemistry teacher and today we will discuss about the question paper 30th January shift 1 of JEE Main 2024. So first question is given below are two statements. Statement 1, the gas liberated on warming a salt with dilute H2SO4 turns a piece of paper dipped in a lead acetate into black. It is a confirmatory test of sulfide ion. Okay. Next statement says in the color of paper turns black because of the formation of sulfide. There is the hack. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect because lead sulfide, the black PPT observed due to PBS. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 3. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. And the complete reaction is out there. Na2S react to form Na2SO4 plus H2S gas. This gas combined with lead acetate to form PBS, lead sulfide. It is not lead sulfide. So that's why statement 2 was wrong. So question 1 was that. It is question 2. They are asking about the name of the reaction. H2PDBSO4 is Lindlar catalyst. And this reduction is called Rosenmund reduction. Okay. So it was completely taken from the NCERT chapter aldehyde ketones. It is basically preparation of aromatic aldehyde. So answer 1 will be correct. This is the solution out there. Come to the next. Sugar which do not give reddish brown precipitate with Fehling reagent. Fehling test is given by aliphatic aldehydes only. The answer is sucrose. The reason behind the answer is sucrose do not contain hemiacetal group. What is hemiacetal group? A carbon which is connected to OH and OR. This is called hemiacetal. If this also becomes OR, it will be acetal group. So since sucrose do not contain hemiacetal group, this group is not present. That's why it do not give Fehling test. Question number 4. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, basically assertion reason question. So let's read the assertion. There is considerable increase in covalent radius from nitrogen to phosphorus. Nitrogen to phosphorus, considerable increase. However, assertion arsenic to bismuth, only small increase in covalent radius. Okay, is observed. Reason says covalent and ionic radii in a particular oxidation state increases down the group. Okay, in the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer. So answer is 2. Assertion, reason both are correct because this is based on the data present in the NCERT and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. The solution is like that. According to NCERT statement, factual data, based on factual data. Okay. Come to the question number 5. Which of the following molecule species is more stable? It is clear that first option is correct because it is aromatic. This one is anti-aromatic, 4n-pi electron delocalized. There is 2n-pi electron delocalized. This is again 4n-pi electron delocalized, anti-aromatic, and since this carbon is sp3 hybridized, it is non-aromatic. So aromatic is more stable. That's why option 1 will be the correct one. So this is the solution, is aromatic species. It is least possible aromatic molecule which follows Huckel's rule. Clear? Diamagnetic lanthanoids are. The answer can be given by the electronic configuration. See, cerium and La, lanthanium. 4 plus means all the 4 electrons are removed. So it has inert gas configuration. It means diamagnetic. And again, 4 electrons are removed. Then it will become inert gas configuration, diamagnetic. So which option will correct? Option 2 will be the right answer for this question. Okay. Come to the next. Aluminium chloride in acidified aqueous solution forms an ion directly taken from the NCERT. Answer is octahedral. How it is octahedral? This is the solution because it forms aluminium H2O whole 6 3 positive. Okay, and it forms, since coordination number of the aluminium is 6, therefore it will form octahedral complex. Octahedral complex. So answer was octahedral. Come to the question number 8. Given below two statement. The orbital having same energy called degenerate. Absolutely correct. Those orbitals which has same energy is called degenerate. Hydrogen atom 3p3d are not degenerate orbital. This is incorrect because since hydrogen is one electron species, therefore after first one Ns has same energy like Np has same energy like Nd. All these orbitals are degenerate, but statement 2 says 3p and 3d are not degenerate. So which option will be correct? Option 1. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Okay. This is true for single electronic species. When more than one electron present in the system, this will not be degenerate. Degeneracy breaks after the second electron. So hydrogen has one electron, so Ns, Np and P will degenerate. This is the solution. Now, vinylic halide. What is vinylic halide? Non-aromatic sp2 carbon. If halogen is connected to that carbon, it will be called vinylic. So, first option, third option, first is the answer. It is this carbon is sp2 and it is non-aromatic. But here it is aromatic. That's why this halogen is not vinylic. It is arylic. Again, this one is called allylic because it is connected to sp3 carbon, which is connected to sp2. Okay, so this is allylic. And this is again allylic. So answer will be your first. First will be your answer. This is the solution. Now, a structure of 4-methyl pent-2-enol means aldehyde group has to be present, and at second position double bond has to be present, and at fourth position methyl group is present. And fourth option supports all these things because 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4-methyl pent-2-enol. So that's why your fourth option will be correct. This is the solution. Now, we have to discuss about the molecule and shape. And the answer is 4. Why fourth is answer? This is the geometry of all the element. BRF5 is square pyramidal, H2O is bent, ClF3 is T-shaped, and SF4 has seesaw. Okay. So this was the answer of the question. It is again very important question. First step, Mg ether. It means Grignard reagent will form. Grignard reagent, then ammonia, and then Grignard reagent. And Grignard reagent attacks on CO2 to form carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid react with ammonia to form amide. And after that, Hofmann bromide degradation will happen. Means final product will be amine. That should be 1 degree. And 1 degree amine, only second option is there. Hofmann bromide degradation is clear cut the answer. That if Hofmann bromide degradation happen, the 1 degree amine will produce, and it's only second option. So answer will be 2. This is the complete mechanism for the reaction. Okay. First of all, Grignard reagent, then carboxylic acid, and then amide, and then Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. Okay. So this was the answer. Now see, it is taken from the NCERT. CrO2Cl2. Sorry, acetate and A. What should be A and what should be B? Answer is C. CrO3. It will convert like this, and then after hydrolysis convert into benzaldehyde. Similarly, CrO2Cl2. It is etard reaction. Etard reaction followed by benzaldehyde. So which option will correct? Option 2. So this reaction was taken from the NCERT itself. Direct reaction of NCERT. It is the beauty of the paper. Everything is asked from the NCERT. Come to the question number 14. 2 statements. Assertion reason. Assertion says CH2 double bond CH2. Yes, allylic halide. It is true. Allylic halides are compound in which the halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. It is incorrect. So assertion is true, but reason is false, because if doubly bonded carbon has halogen, it is vinylic, not allylic. It is vinylic. That's why assertion says, reason says, attached to sp2 hybridized atom. It is the definition of vinylic, not allylic. So that's why answer will be 1. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Here it is, the answer. Question number 15. What happens to freezing point of benzene when a small quantity of naphthalene is added? When naphthalene is added, there will be solution, and we know that the vapor pressure of pure liquid always less than vapor pressure of solution. So sorry, symbolically I have written something wrong. Now P not always greater than PS. So decrease will be your answer. Too easy question based on basic concepts. So the answer is on addition of naphthalene, the benzene, there is depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. Since vapor pressure decreases, freezing point depressed. Okay. Now Cr2 positive, Mn plus, Ni2 plus, V2 plus, V plus. We have to add with, we have to match with electronic configuration. Answer is 2. Why answer is 2? The electronic configuration is given out there. Okay. So this will be the solution of the given question. Question number 17, too easy question. Compound A formed in which reaction react with B gives compound C. Find out A and B. A react with terminal alkyne. There will be acid-base reaction. So A will be this type of compound, something. This H will be removed like H2 gas. Okay. And then B gives C. The compound C is given. So what will be the solution? Answer is A. How answer is A? C. First of all, this will form and this will act as a nucleophile which attack SN2 on the carbon which is connected to halogen, and the compound will be like this. NaBr will separate out. Okay. So first step is acid-base reaction, then nucleophilic substitution. This is strong nucleophile. If carbon is donor, then nucleophile will be strong, and a strong nucleophile shows SN2. So SN2 attack will happen on this carbon which is del positive and bromine has del negative. So the compound is your answer. Following is a confirmatory test of aromatic compound amine. Identify. First step is given. I have to give A and B. Clearly you can say diazonium salt is formed. It means first step should be NaNO2HCl at 5 degrees centigrade. And after treating with NaOH, final product will be, answer is 4. B should be like that. The complete mechanism is like that. Beta naphthol. Beta naphthol has scarlet red dye. Okay. Question number 19. The lysine extract boiled with HNO3. Simply, it decomposes Na2S and NaCN directly given in NCERT. So the answer will be 4th. And the complete explanation is like that. If nitrogen or sulfur is also present in the compound, the sodium fusion extract is first boiled with concentrated nitric acid to decompose cyanide or sulfide of sodium during lysine test. Okay. So this was the explanation. Question number 20. It is very nice question. We have to select correct statement. Ethane 1,2-diamine is a chelating ligand. Chelating ligand means polydentate ligands are considered to be chelating ligands. So ethylene diamine CH2, NH2. Suppose we have metal N plus, this can donate, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 member cyclization happen. It is called chelating, and this is called chelating ring. Didentate ligand has tendency to form chelating ring, and it provides stability as well. Okay. Metallic aluminium is produced by electrolysis. Definitely. Aluminium, extraction of aluminium. Correct. Electrolysis is the method. Cyanide ion is used as a ligand for leaching of silver. It is also correct. Okay. So A, B, C is the correct. D. Phosphine act as a ligand in Wilkinson catalyst. No. Incorrect. The stability of constant of Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus are similar with EDTA complex. It is also incorrect. So the explanation is in front of you. You can read it. And Hall-Heroult process में Cn minus is used. The rate of first order reaction is 0.04 at 10 minutes and 0.03 mole per liter per second at 20 minutes. At 10 minutes, this is the rate. At 20 minutes, this is the rate. After initiation, half-life of the reaction is in minute. I have to calculate half-life. We have to use this concept. With the help of this concept, rate equal to K time. This is rate law expression. We have to use, we are considering as the first order reaction. We are using the concept and we will get the answer. Answer is equal to 42. If you solve this question, you will get answer, 24 is the right answer. If you solve this process, if you will do this process, you will get the answer 24. Come to the next question. See, after solving the question, you will get the answer 24. Complete explanation is given out. Okay, the pH of MgOH twice, Ksp is given, begins to precipitate. What is the condition of precipitate? Q should equal to Ksp. Just do it and you will get answer 9. Qsp equal to Ksp, just put the value and you will get the answer, because you will get the pOH value. Since concentration of OH minus 10 to the power minus 5, then pOH will be 5 and 14 minus 5 will be 9. So pH will be 9. Okay, we are using pH plus pOH is 14, pOH is 5, that's why pH is 14 minus 5, that is 9. Question number 23, a very nice question of the thermodynamics. If PV curve is given, then the area under the curve always gives work done. I will do the same thing. An ideal gas undergoes a cyclic transformation starting from the point A and coming back to same point, tracing the path A to B, B to C, C to A. So in total work done is 200. How it can happen? Just take the area under the curve. What is the area under the curve? Triangle. The area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. We have taken just the same thing and you will get the answer 200. IUPAC name of anium. An stands for 1. So answer will be 111. Atomic number will be 111. Okay. If atomic number greater than 103, remember, then the last 2 digit, not 103, 110, let's say, then last 2 digit, generally it is true for 103, but I will suggest you that the shortcut for this question is the last 2 digit will be the group number. So last 2 digit is 11. Suppose we have 112, which group? 12. 113, which is 13th group. So this is the shortcut. Last 2 digit will give the group number. Question number 25. Total number of molecular orbital formed from 2s and 2p. Answer is 8, because 2s form 2 sigma 2s, sigma stick 2s, so 2, and 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py. So total 6 will formed by p and 2 will formed by s. So there will be total 8. Question number 26. On thin layer chromatographic plate, an organic compound moved by 3.5 centimeter. While the solvent moved by 5 centimeter, the retardation factor of organic compound is 10 to the power minus 1. This formula was given in NCERT and just you have to put the value. Answer will be 7. Direct. Distance travelled by the sample or organic compound divided by distance travelled by solvent equal to retardation factor. And just solve them, you will get 7 into 10 to the power minus 1. Question number 27. The compound formed by reaction of ethanol and semi-carbazide. See, this is the answer. Just remove the water. This nitrogen cannot be taken because its lone pair is in resonance. So this lone pair will take part. This nitrogen will take part and there will be not this much will be removed. Water will be removed from here and this will be the compound. Okay, so this was your answer. 0.05 centimeter thick coating of silver is deposited on plate of 0.05 meter square area. The number of silver atom deposited on the plate. Simple answer. Answer is 11 and the solution is given out there. First of all, volume of silver is calculated. Then mass of silver is calculated. Then moles of silver is calculated and you have to multiply by Avogadro number. Moles multiplied by my Avogadro number gives you the number of fundamental particle. So answer will be 11.01 into 10 to the power 23. This was your final answer. We have to balance this equation and the value of coefficient z. So if you balance this equation, the coefficient will be 8. Simple. Okay. Come to the next. Last question. The mass of sodium acetate required to prepare 250 ml of 0.35 m aqueous solution in gram. Molar mass of sodium acetate is 82.02 gram per mole. Answer would be 7. Simple. Calculate moles. Molarity into volume in liter gives you moles. Moles nikal gaya. Once you get the moles you can multiply by molar mass, you will get the answer 7.18 and if you round off, answer will be 7. So this was your last question. So thank you so much.